Hello everyone. Today I got my newly ordered LG soundbar, which is SN7Y. I got this from Appliance Online. It's a really nice deal. I ordered it on the Black Friday and I got it for like 450 Australian dollars, which is not a bad price for sure. So let's see what's it all about. So it's basically a Dolby Atmos. It has DDS-X, high resolution audio, up-firing speakers, 4K pass-through. It is 3.1.2 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos. Yeah, this is what it looks like from outside. Yeah, let's see what's inside. This is how it is from inside. Let's unwrap it. This is the woofer. This is the soundbar. These are the cords and remote. And this is the optical fiber. Let's unwrap it, guys. So here it is, LG SN7Y. This is the subwoofer. It looks really nice. The soundbar is like, the texture is nice. You can't complain with that price. These are all the things that comes with SN7Y. Sorry. Yeah. Let's see how it works. Alright guys, I've set up the soundbar. It's pretty easy. Just connect the cord and it's done. So yeah, let's check the sound now. My TV is LG OLED, so that's the only reason I bought LG soundbar, because I thought it's gonna be compatible and the sound's gonna sync nice. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put the volume to its max, which is 40, I reckon. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is 40. Now let's start.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again,
She's disrupted her.
what if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater, whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, marks overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Then, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
Alright guys, so that's how it sounds. It's not bad for the price that I got it for. So yeah, 450. It's pretty loud for the room for sure. I'm never gonna play it on 40. It's pretty loud. The Dolby Atmos is nice. Can't complain really. So yeah, this is what it is. If you like it, just buy it. It's not bad. If you get it for like $500, I would suggest buy it straight away. It's not bad. It's good. It's really nice. Alright, see ya.